I saw the clouds in the sky, Ryan, and so as I left, I didn't bring the sunglasses, but I did have to turn around and come back because it was still pretty bright out.
Yeah, it sure is. And this is kind of cloud cover today is that hazy type cloud cover where the sun still beats on through.
Yes. Oh, and you can feel it.
Oh, that's for sure. Yeah, it's funny though, when I was just out on the weather deck, it is a sea breeze of sorts, but it's like a muggy sea breeze.
Yeah.
Not that cool, crisp one that we had for months.
I'm not a popular opinion among Mainers. I like it a little muggy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know.
We try not to judge.
I get it. That's fine. That's fine. I know it's not for everybody, but you gotta embrace all four seasons.
That's why we live here.
To be honest, we've earned it after a cold stretch.
Bring on some warm air.
Yeah. Take a look outside right now. We don't have many clouds in Bangor. It's kind of hazy at the moment. The temperature there is at 84, and the dew point in central and northern Maine has not come up quite as much as it has in southern Maine yet. It's at 59 in Bangor. Now in Portland, you can see the temperatures come down with that south-southeast breeze, but the dew point is 64. So that's why it's kind of a muggy sea breeze and not a true cooling one. It hasn't even kicked on shore at Kittery and Portsmouth. It's 89, at least at Pease Airport there. 70 in Owl's Head and Rockland, but 84 in Bangor, 85 in Waterville, and near 90 in Freiburg right now. We have not had any storms develop in Maine yet, but over the last couple of hours, there's been this cluster developing around the Connecticut River Valley in New Hampshire and Vermont. And this is going to be sliding east over the next few hours. So there will be a rising chance we get into some rain, particularly in western Maine, as the evening continues. So this particular model by 7 o'clock indicating the highest chance for anything would be over Oxford, Androscoggin, Cumberland, and York counties. Not much through the rest of the state. It's dry all evening long in eastern and northern Maine. And then overnight, any storms generally weaken. You might still hear a rumble of thunder, but there will be a few showers around as the night goes along. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's a mild, muggy start to the day with maybe a spotty shower and a fair amount of clouds during the morning, but it does turn partly sunny. And when that sun pokes through, it'll be kind of the blazing sunshine. It's very warm. It's going to be humid once it comes out. And there's a chance we pop up a couple of showers or quick rumbles of thunder tomorrow afternoon. And it's not going to be widespread, but it seems like it's kind of in this zone here. Central Maine back into some of the western foothills, best chance for a quick shower or rumble of thunder tomorrow. Tomorrow night there will be a few spot showers, and then on Friday, I think at the coastline we're locked into some low cloudiness for a time, so it will be cooler but muggy at the coast on Friday, while in northern Maine it's more humid with some showers and downpours around during the day on Friday. Again, it's not going to rain up here all day, but there will be some showers around on Friday, particularly to the north, while at the coast we probably stay around 70 for a high and in the 60s down east with an onshore flow. So if we don't break those clouds apart, certainly a cooler feel at the coast on Friday. And then Friday night into Saturday, we do have a front coming through with some rain, but this is Saturday morning at 6 a.m. and this timing isn't going to be exact, but I think the idea is correct that most of the rain in southern and central Maine comes through Friday night. So by daybreak on Saturday, we're starting with rain in central and eastern Maine, but from west to east, we improve things pretty quickly on Saturday. By noon, it should be sunny in western and southern Maine, and then in the afternoon, we'll clear out over down east. And it will be cool there in the morning, but by the end of the day, you have a chance to warm up a little bit there. Sunday looks good, too. There is another front that comes in for Sunday night, but I think we get the daytime in just about everywhere on Sunday with no issues. Here's the marine forecast. Seas 2 to 3 feet tomorrow. Southerly wind 5 to 10 knots out on the water. So there's a look at the next 7 days. Again, tomorrow you just have to be ready for a quick shower or downpour, but it's probably only about a 30% chance. It'll be quite humid. Temps get into the 80s. Warmest weather will be inland on Friday. Some showers in northern Maine. At the coast, it's probably only about 70 for a high and kind of sticky feeling. And Saturday afternoon cleans up nicely. Sunday looking good. Next chance for rain Sunday night into Monday. But I'm thinking we get a lot of the weekend in dry.
Yeah.
It just would be eastern Maine where it may hold on a little bit Saturday morning.
Okay.
We can hold on to most of it. That's progress. Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.